Hi everyone, good evening. RANA SIR is here. Welcome to our RANA SIR educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is an arithmetic progression that stands for AP. Okay students, so you present on this live video from starting to end for developing or improving or updating your knowledge on this topic. Okay student, therefore I am going to also give you some suggestion points and you follow it positively. First suggestion point is each and every student has to take one notebook and one pen, and then student has to sit at your location properly with positively. Okay student, now simultaneously if you are getting good knowledge, then you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friend and student, and also you subscribe this channel so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. So first of all, you concentrate on this live video. Now I am going to explain the definition of an arithmetic progression, how we have to calculate the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, and I will also solve some numericals which are based on this topic. Okay student, so first of all I am going to explain. This is the class 10th mathematics and it is in English medium. Okay student, Hindi medium student can also learn it because this is very simple language, that is very simple what I am using here, so each and every student can know understand very easily, because concept will be same in English medium and also in Hindi medium, that is in UP board and also in CBSE board. Concepts are same. Okay students, so you have to follow it. When we will get time, so I will prepare it in Hindi medium and also I will upload, and that those video you will find in my video section on YouTube channel. My YouTube channel you are knowing very well, that is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR. Okay students, so this is the class 10th mathematics and it is based on NCERT pattern and it belongs to CBSE board, and also this chapter number 5 I am explaining because chapter number 1, that is the real number, already I have taught it with you. Okay student, and second chapter name whose name is polynomial, I have already explained, that is described with you. And third chapter name whose name chapter number that's name is pair of linear equations in two variable. Okay student, now next is a quadratic equation, that is the chapter number 4. Now here I am teaching that is the chapter number 5 whose name is arithmetic progression. It is also written in shortcut form, that is AP. Okay students, so here I am going to explain because how we have to find the nth term of an AP series. Already in previous class I have already described with you. Now here I have to describe about the concept of how to find sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Its definition, yeah, its formula I will explain. After explaining, I will also solve some questions which are based on this topic. Okay, students, so you concentrate on this topic from starting to end. And if you are getting good knowledge, so you like this live video and also you subscribe this educational channel and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friend and students so that they can also improve, that is update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay, students, so first of all I am going to explain. If you want to get the sum of first n terms of an AP series, so you have to write Sn which is equal to n divided by 2, and in the bracket you have to write 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Okay, student, so here students should remember, yes, the students should remember it because this is the very important formula and this formula student has to remember. Okay, student, this is the formula how to get the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Here I will say a is the first term. I will write here a is the first term of an AP series. B is the common difference. It is written. It is also written in shortcut form DC. Okay, student, and n is the number of terms. Where n is the number of terms. Number of terms. Okay, student. So, and Sn is the sum of first n terms of an AP series. In other words, we can say that Sn is written as sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, students, so each and every student has to remember this formula. So Sn is equal to n divided by 2. In the bracket I have written here 2a plus n minus 1 into b, and this is the formula. In Hindi you can also say that, but you have to concept in English language. Okay, so a is also written as first term, that is first, and b is the common difference, it is written as cd, and a is the number of terms, and Sn is also written as sum of first n terms of an AP series. Okay, student, so if first term and last term is given, so that formula is converted like this: n divided by 2. In the place today I have to write a plus a. Sorry, and then here I have to write n minus 1 into b. Okay, student. So this term I will say this is the nth term of an AP series. So I will write as n divided by 2. In the bracket I will write a plus an. In the place of a plus, in the bracket I have to write here n minus 1 into b. That is written as an. So this will be Sn. If first term and last term is given, so I will use this formula. So I will say this is the formula number 1 and this is the formula number 2. Okay, student, so each and every student has to remember these two formula, and student have to also note in their mind that an is equal to here. So here is the nth term of that AP series, AP sequence, and here is the number. Here is the last term of that arithmetic progression. So nth term and last term both will be same. Okay, student. So each and every student has to remember this formula and also this formula, and its meaning I have written here. Each and every student has to remember this meaning. Okay, student, if you are doing very well, With this formula, so you can solve any question which are related to on this topic. Now, one question which is based on this topic I have written here. Now you listen and you concentrate on this topic. Okay, question number 1. If the sum of first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is 140, and this is the statement on number 1, and I will explain this statement number in mathematical form, and that is the second statement I am going to do. And the sum of first 16 terms, here you can 16 terms, is 320. So these two statements are given, and these two statements I will use, and I will change its meaning in mathematical form, and then I will resolve. That is, I will solve. After solving, I will get nth term of that AP series. Okay, student. Now next, then find the sum of first n terms. So here I have to find the sum of first n terms. Okay, student. So this is the information which is based on sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, student. So these concept I will use here, and after using, and I will resolve, that is I will solve. After solving, I will reach at destination. So according to this way, solution of given question, that is written question, I have to complete according to this way. Okay, student. Now further I am going to edit this information. After editing, and I will start for solving the given question which is based on this concept. Okay, students. Now further, I am going to erase these data for further calculation. Okay, student. Now here I am going to erase, and after erasing, I will solve it properly. So each and every student can know very well for solving any other question which are based on this topic. First of all, the student has to write solution. After writing solution, and then the student has to assume let first term of an arithmetic progression be A. Here I have assumed let first term of an arithmetic progression, means A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. So first term of an arithmetic progression be A, and common difference B. I will say B. So according to the information I will write according to question and also given, and other information given. Sum of first 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is 140. That is given in the question. Okay, student, I have to write. So these are the information I have supposed here. After supposing and this information here, this information is given here. So I write given that sum of first 10 terms. So here I will write one information clearly. Sum of first 10 terms. Sum of first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is equal to 140. That is given. So I have written here given that sum of first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is 140. So according to information, according to question I will write. So according to question, here I will write A C O R D I N G. According to question. According to question, I have to write here. According to question, I will write SCM. SCM is equal to N divided by 2. Here I have to write SCM is equal to N divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay student, now for the I have to put the value of N is 10 and the value of N is 10, and also in standard form, in particular form, I will write S10 which is equal to 140. That is given in the question. So this information, this word information I have written here in mathematical form. That is, we have to write 10 term of an arithmetic progression, sum of 10 term of an arithmetic progression, that is equal to S10 is equal to 140. So in this formula I will put the value of N which is equal to 10, and after writing S10 which is equal to 140. So I will simplify. Okay student, so this information I am going to substitute in general form. This is the general form of an arithmetic progression, how we have to calculate the sum of first term of an arithmetic progression. Okay student, now further I am going to erase above data. After erasing above data, I will further solve below information. Okay student, now here I am going to put in the place of N 10. So I will write here S10 which is equal to, in the place of N I have to put 10 divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 2A. Now in the place of N I have to put 10 minus 1 into D. Okay student, so for the information I have written. So this is the information, and that information available in question. Okay, further I am going to substitute this value. Now S10 which is equal to 2 1 2 2 5 3. So here I will write 5, here I will put 2A plus 10 minus 1, that will be 9 into D. Okay student, so I can write like this. Now further I have to put the value of S10 which is equal to 140. So here I have to write 140 which is equal to 5. In the bracket I have to write 2A plus 9 into D, 9D. Okay, again I will put all terms which are available in left hand side, and also which are available in right hand side and which is available in left hand side. I will substitute all data I will put in left hand side, and all data which are available in left hand side I will put in right hand side. So I will give no change in the solution of the question. Okay student, so further I will write this spoken data. So 5 in the bracket I have to write 2A plus 9D which is equal to 140. So further I will simplify. After simplify I can write that is 2A plus 9D which is equal to 140 divided by 5. So 140 divided 5 by 5, I will say 5 to the 5 to the 10, 5, 8 to the 40. So here I will write 2A plus 90 which is equal to 28. I will say this is the equation number 1. Okay student, so according to the information which is available in the question, and I have got one linear equation in two variables. One variable is A and other variable is D. Okay student, now this is the linear equation in two variables. Now other information, other topic of this question I will read, and again similarly I will make expression, and after making expression I will simplify that and convert in equation. So further I am going to write that information also here. Okay, So you concentrate on this slide video if you are understanding very well. So you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also update and develop their knowledge on this topic, and also you subscribe this channel more and more. Okay students, now you concentrate next information I am going to read. And the sum of first 16 term is this. So here I write again, given information is that it means that here we have to get 16 terms of an AP series, which is given here 320. So here I write yes, sum of 16 terms, sum of first 16 term which is equal to 320. So here I write yes 16 which is equal to 320. Okay student, so these are the information, we will say this is the information which is available in the question. According to the given information I will change in equation form. Okay student, now further I am going to write again sum of first 16 term of an arithmetic progression. Here I will write according to question. I will write A, C, O, R according to question. According to question I have to write according to question sum of first 16 terms of an arithmetic progression is I have to write that formula above. Okay students, now here I am going to erase. So here I write yes 16 which is equal to 16 general formula. I am going to write after writing general formula, and then I will put the value of n there. Yes, n which is equal to n divided by 2 in the bracket. I have to write a plus n minus 1 into b. Okay students, after putting this value I will simplify, because in the place of n we have to put 16 and in the place of Sn yes 16 which is equal to 320. Okay students, now that information I will substitute here. So here yes 16 which is equal to 16 divided by 2. Here I will write 2a plus n. In the place of n I will write 16 minus 1 into b. Further I will simplify. In the place of yes 16 which is equal to 323, I will write here 320 which is equal to 2 on the 2 just 16. So here I will write 8 in the bracket. I will write 2a plus 16 minus 1 that will be 15 into b. Okay student, so further I will also simplify it. So after simplifying I will put all terms of right hand side in left hand side, and again I will put all terms which are available in left hand side I will put in right hand side. So in this process there will be no change, there will no any change. Okay student, so I will follow it, and after following I will write 8 into 2a plus 15b which is equal to 320. Okay student, for the 8 will go in right hand side, so it will divide with 8, that is 2a plus 15b which is equal to 320 divided by 8. So I will say 8 1 8, and this will be 8 4 ja 20 32. So this will be 4. So 2a plus 15, here I will write 2a plus 15b which is equal to 40, and I will say this is the equation number 2. So when I have read the question, given question which are written on the blackboard, and after reading and I have used condition, after using condition, after simplification, I have got two equation in two variables. That is equation number A, that is equation number 1, which is you can add 2a plus 19 which is equal to 28, and other is 2a plus 15 which is equal to 40. That is written here. Okay, so we have two equation now. Here we have to get the value of A and B. It means that here both equation I will say that is the pair of linear equation in two variables. One variable is A and other variable is B. It means that both are the straight lines and both straight lines are not parallel to each other. It means that both lines will intersect at a point, and I will get the intersection point, and the coordinate of that intersection point will be A comma D. Now when I was reading chapter number 3, that's name is pair of linear equation in two variables. So there are three conditions are available. In first condition, both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that both lines are intersecting at a certain point. In that case, I was getting the intersection point with the help of both variables, that is variable x and y. But here in the place of x, I have written here a, and in the place of y, here I have written D. Okay, student. So same condition I will use. It means that here both lines are not parallel to each other. So both lines will intersect at a certain point. Means I will say theoretically one line is L1 and the other line is L2. Other line is L2. And the other line has slope M1 and L2 line has slope M2. It means that both lines are not parallel to each other. Both lines will intersect at a certain point, and the coordinate of that point will be A comma D. So I have to get the value of A and D. So in pair of straight line, in pair of straight line, yeah, in pair of linear equation in two variables, when I was solving, so we are using two methods. One method is elimination method, and other method is one method was there elimination method, and other method was that is the substitution method. So if in the question given you have to get the coordinate points with the help of substitution method, so you have to use there only substitution method, not elimination method. If condition is not given there, so you have to use any one method from two given method. Okay, student. So here I will use elimination method for solving the value of A and D, because here any no method is given here for solving this question. Okay, student. So here I will use elimination method. Okay, student. Now further I have read properly the question after reading the question properly, and then I have prepared the certain equations, and after solving that equations I have got linear equation. So both linear equation I have obtained here. So after solving we will get the value of A and the value of D. So that will be the coordinate of intersection point. It means that both lines intersect at a certain point. It means that both lines are not parallel to each other. Okay, student. Now further I am going to erase written data. After erasing written data, I will use the method. That method is elimination method. We can also use substitution method for solving it, but elimination method may be used because the coefficient of A in both equation number 1 and also in equation number 2, I am looking here same. So I will use elimination method. So there will be very easy to evaluate the value of A and D. Okay, students. So further I am going to erase unwanted data which I will leave on the blackboard, because this data already I have understood. Okay, students. Further I am going to write both equations here. 2a plus 9b which is equal to 28, and this is the equation number 1, and other equation is 2a plus 15b which is equal to 40, that is written here. I will say this is the equation number 2. Now here I am going to use substitution method, that is elimination method. Here I am going to be using elimination method. So I will write here one subtracting subs subtracting sub subtracting on subtracting subtracting. So when I will subtract, so I will change its sign, because 2a has sign plus, so here I will put minus. Now 15d has sign plus, so I will put here minus. Now here 40 has sign plus, so I will put here minus. Okay student, so here plus and minus sign it will come, because it both have the same value, but sign is opposite. Now here in this 15d has sign minus, so I will subtract. So I will say 15 minus, no, that it will be minus 6d. Sorry. Here I will subtract 10 minus 8, that will be 2. Here will be 3. So 3 minus 2, that will be 1. So here I will say minus 12. Now again I will simplify here minus sign and minus sign, it will cancel out. So I will say 6d, which is equal to 12. So after simplifying, I will write here implied that is d is equal to 12 divided by 6. So here I will say 6 1 is 6 and 6 2 is 12. 6 to the 12. Okay student, so here I will write the value of d, which is equal to 2. So here 12 divided by 2, 2 was the 2, 2 is 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So value of d, which is equal to 2. So I have got the coordinate intersection point, the value of d of the intersection point, that is written as a comma d. The value of d I have got here 2. So here I am going to put its value will be 2. Okay student, now here I have to get the value of a. So I will use one statement, that statement will be this way, putting the value of d in equation 1 or 2 for getting the value of a. Okay student, so this information I have to write here. So now for the above data I am going to erase for further calculation. Okay student, so here I will erase this one, and after erasing I will write its meaning. After writing its meaning, and then I will get its value. Now here I have to write putting the value of d in equation 1 we get. So this is the information, and each and every student has to know it, because if each and every student will know it, so student can solve the question which is based on this topic very easy way, because here there are two methods to get the point of intersection. One method is elimination method, and one other method is substitution method. So here I am applying elimination method for getting the value of a and b. Now the value of d I have obtained. Now we are going to put the value of d in equation first. That equation first is written as 2a plus 90, which is equal to 28. So this is the equation number 1. In the equation number 1, I will substitute the value of d, which is equal to 2, in the place of a. Now further I am going to substitute its value. Now first of all I will write equation number 1, 2a plus 9d, which is equal to 28. Now further I will substitute its value. The value of d, 2a plus 9 into 2, which is equal to 28. Okay student, further I will simplify it. After simplify, I will write here 2a which is equal to 28 minus 9 to the 18. So here I will put 18. Okay, so further I will simplify. After simplify, I will take out this information I am going to erase here. So after erasing here, I have to write 2a which is equal to 28 minus 18, that will be 10. 28 minus 18, that will be 10. Now further I will get the value of a which is equal to 10 divided by 2. I will say 2 1 2 5 10. So value of a which is equal to 5. So here I have written the value of a which is equal to 5. In the place of a I will write 5. So both linear equation I have got from the given question. Both linear equations are not parallel to each other. It means that both lines will intersect at a certain point. I will get the intersection point, the coordinate of that intersection point. So coordinate is written in the form of x comma y. In the place of x I have written here a, and in the place of y I have written here d. Okay student, after solving I have got the value of a which is equal to 5 and the value of b which is equal to 2. Okay student, so further I will say the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 2. Now further I am going to erase and I will set this value. Now the value of a which is equal to 5 and the value of b which is equal to 2. Okay student, so as per information I have got the value of a and b. Now further in the question is asking, then find the sum of first m terms. So we have to find sum of first m terms. Okay students, so here I have got the value of a and b. Now further I will reach to destination by using the value of a and b. Now here I will write as per question. Here I will write as per question. As per question, here I am going to write sum of first m terms of an arithmetic progression is, that will be m divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Now here in this information I have to substitute the value of a that is already obtained from the question and the value of b that is also available here. So I will substitute the value of a and b and I will say this is the expression number 3. I will substitute the value of a and b in equation number 3. I will say this is the equation number 3 and I will write further one information and that information will be the solution of the question. Okay student, now further this is the light problem. So as per the question I have written the sum of first m terms of an arithmetic progression. So that sum is written as sum of first m terms of an arithmetic progression, that is equal to m divided by 2. In the bracket I have written here 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Okay student, so here one information, that is one statement I will write here, putting the values of a small a and small a and d in equation 3 we get. in equation number 3 we get okay student. So this is the statement here, this is the information here, this is the way we have to use the value of A and also value of B, and that is available here, and these two values I will set here. After setting up, we will simplify. After simplify, I will get a result that will be the answer of my question. Okay student, so for the above data I am going to erase and we will substitute this by 2. So this information of first m terms of an arithmetic progression that is written as m, which is equal to m divided by 2, and then here I have to write 2 in the place of a. I have to write here 5. Here 5 plus m minus 1 in the place of b. I have to put here 2. That is available in the question. Okay student, so further I have substituted the value of a and b. Okay student, if you are doing very well, so you like this live video and also you subscribe this channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Okay student, so further I am going to resolve it. After resolving, I will get its final answer of this question. Okay student, now further I am going to write it here. Sm equal to am divided by 2. In the bracket I have to write 5 to the 10. So here I will write 2m minus 2 because 2 is multiplied with m and also with minus 1. Okay student, after multiplying I will write m divided by 2, and then we will write here 10 plus 2m minus 2. Okay student, so I am going to simplify it. After simplifying, I will write its meaning, and that final solution will be the answer. Okay students, so here in the left hand side Sm is available, so I have to put here Sm is equal to, and here m divided by 2. Now here 2m I have to write here 2m, and then 10 minus 2, that will be 8. So here I have to put 8. Now further I will multiply 2 with m and also 4. So further I am going to delete above data because I want to simplify it. Okay, so after simplifying I will write like that. Sm is equal to m divided by 2. Now that is written 2m, that is written 2m plus 8. Okay student, now further I am going to solve the algebra. So I will take 2 common from each. So here I have to write 2m in the place of 2m, and this 8 can be written as 2 into 4. Okay student, so further I have to simplify it. So I will take 2 common from this term and also from this term. So m divided by 2, I will write here 2 in the bracket. I have to write m plus 4. Okay student, so this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So I will write here m in the bracket. I have to write m plus 4. In other words, we can also say that, and in left hand side that is Sm is coming. Okay student, now further I can also write in this way. Sm is equal to, this m is multiplied with this, so it will be m square plus 4m. So this is the final answer of my question. So this is the final answer of my question, and we have to write it, and we have to follow this procedure for getting the first sum of m terms of an arithmetic progression. So first So first sum of first m terms of an arithmetic progression that is written as SM, which is equal to m square plus 4m. Okay, student. So this is the way, and we have to find solution of any question which are available in this way. Okay, student. So we have to apply the concept of sum of first m terms of arithmetic progression. Here what's problem is given, and here properly I have read each paragraph. Each paragraph means each sentence properly, and then I have converted in a mathematical form. After converting, I have got two linear equation in two variables. One variable each here a and other is d, and then second statement I have also read, and after reading and I have also prepared its equation. So I told here that both equations are existing as a pair of linear equation in two variables. So if both lines, yeah, both linear equations are not parallel to each other, it means that both lines will have different slope. It means that one line has slope m1 and other is m2. It means that both slopes are not equal to each other. Both slopes are not equal to each other. It means that both lines will intersect at a certain point. The coordinate of that point will be a comma b, because here one variable is a and other variable is b. So I have solved with the help of elimination or substitution method. So after using elimination method, here I have applied in this question elimination method for getting the value of a and b. We can also use substitution method for getting the value of a and b. So you are independent, any method you can apply for getting the value of a and b. So I have used here elimination method for getting the value of a and b. The value of a I have got here 5, and the value of b I have got here 2. Okay, students. So in the question we have to find the sum of first m terms of an arithmetic progression. So I have write a general formula. That general formula was that SM, which is equal to m divided by 2 plus in the bracket I have written 2a plus m minus 1 into a, and after writing that information that formula, I have substituted the value of a and b in the equation number 3. After putting this value, and then I have simplified. After simplifying, I have got that sum of first m terms of an arithmetic progression. Yes, m which is equal to m square plus 4m. So this is the final answer of the given question and here written question. Okay, student. So this is very easy solution, and you can also solve, because if you will remember what is the formula for first m terms of an arithmetic progression, and also you have to know each and every information of the question, because first of all you have to read each and every term of the given question, and then you have to write all data which are given in the question, and then you have to you have to convert it into a mathematical form, and after converting it into mathematical form, and then you have to make equation. After making equation, and you have to find the condition that equation is existing where, because if both lines will not parallel to each other, if both lines will parallel to each other, in this case I will not get the value of a and b. It means that both slopes are same. So both lines will meet at a infinity. It means that I will only imagine. So I will not get the value of a and b when both lines will parallel to each other. But one line is available